For dinner, I thought I'd cook myself a whole chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and spatchcock this bird, which is basically a way of preparing it so it lays down flat. Makes it cook a lot faster. Just cut either side of the spine and take the whole spine out. Some salt and pepper. Let that roast. See how we got flames coming out? Still a lot of steam coming out, but look at that. Look at the flames coming out. Once I consistently see flames coming out of the barrel, then I know it's time to put the lid on. Just keep this fire going all night, and hopefully tomorrow we're gonna have a whole bunch of charcoal. Now let's see how the bird's doing. Looking good. All right, let's check on the charcoal. See, the bottom of the lid is covered in wood tar. Starting to come along. Little jar of gravy here. It's pretty frozen. That warmed up. Got some frozen oil. Got bacon chunks, green onions, yellow onions, and chives frying in a little butter and oil. Definitely overdid the baked potato, but that's okay. Butter, salt, pepper, chives, onions, bacon, and a little bit of gravy. All right, let's take a look at this chicken. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh. You know it's done when you can just pull the leg off and you don't have to cut it. Oh. We're gonna try some spicy honey barbecue sauce too. Oh, that is a good potato. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, that gravy is just tangy and good. Whew, I like this spicy honey barbecue sauce. Oh, slow roasted chicken over a fire is hard to beat.